My Samsung dishwasher has an LE code, as you will see there. It also continues to blink there, and it beeps 3 times consecutively every so often. I'm going to try to repair this by pulling it out and trying to see where the leak is at. Now that I have it pulled out, I'm going to go ahead and flip it, put it on its top, open up underneath, see what's leaking underneath. Here we got water leaking right there. Something must be leaking inside of here. Took off my screws, cap pops right off. We got this little attachment here, needs to be disconnected. Let that sit and dry. I can see water puddles right there, there, and there. So this is our leak sensor that was sitting right here screwed in. Apparently if you look, it has 4 rods right there, and water touches that, and that'll give you a leak code. So I guess we just had a little bit of water sitting on this pan right here. So time to let this dry out for a little bit and then put it back together and see if it's working. Now we're going to put the sensor back in place. It's nice and dry. Give it about 15 minutes to dry up. And then we will reconnect it using an adapter and see how it worked out. So apparently that was a fix. She's running nice and smooth now, no issues. It's been on for 20 minutes. Running good.